It's starting, and I think we're live now.
Ooh. Okay, tell me when you want to start.
Yeah, but I think people are only able to see one screen.
I think I see both right now.
Yep. Okay, great.
I'm not sure it's great to open the
All right.
YouTube link.
Yeah. All right, this looks great.
I hear everything in double.
Perfect. Okay, so we can get started, and then I'm going to go through and see if I need to sign up or anything first.
I think you don't have to, but it's better if you want to save your progress. Like I think it's said on the bottom of the page.
Cool. I'll log in with my GitHub, and so I can save it.
You should go on the sign up, I think. Hello.
Hello. Give me 1 second. I'm going to log into my GitHub. I didn't want people to look at my stuff.
Yeah. You see. Do you have a lot of stuff on your GitHub?
Yeah.
Yes, I think I have like one project and it's not finished yet.
Yeah. I actually have like a couple of accounts that I use GitHub for, like some random projects and some good projects. Okay, perfect. I'm here. All right, let's get into lesson 1.
Yes.
Ooh, fancy. So have you ever done any coding with the blockchain at all?
No, never. I just started to read a book on Bitcoin, but no coding for now.
Yeah.
And you?
No.
So I'm reassured. Let's click on start.
Yeah. Actually, give me 1 second.
Are you still here?
Yeah, I'm here. So when I present my screen on the broadcast, it looks really weird.
Yes.
And I'm trying.
I don't know how to call this in English.
I'm trying to figure
infinite.
out what we can do.
Maybe you should split the Hangout window and the Cryptozombie window.
Let's see what you mean.
Ooh.
This looks like we didn't get what we want.
I'm really confused, but When I see what is my screen, what is yours?
So the way that I see it is now I can see your screen.
Yes.
Maybe this is what I should do. Hold on, I think this might work.
But we can't. Oh, okay. Yes.
But now people can only see one screen, right?
They can see yours on the right. No.
No.
Yes, I just checked the YouTube link.
Mm-hmm. That's fine. We can just share one screen and we can go from there. I'll be able
Just
to. Yeah, we'll share your screen and then we can go from there.
Okay.
All right, so we're at the first starting page.
Yes.
I'm gonna read what this says, and then we can go from there.
So we have a beautiful zombie.
We're gonna build a zombie factory. Interesting.
Yes.
So each zombie has a DNA, and that's kind of like the smart contract on like what it is.
Yeah. We can make different kinds of zombie.
Mm.
Santa zombie. Sorry?
We should create our zombie and then
Yes.
next.
So this match with this integer.
Mm-hmm.
I like your zombie. Did you try to make yourself?
Yeah.
In zombie mode?
Mm-hmm. That's how mine looks like.
I don't know if we can do whichever the one we want, or if we have to respect some guidelines or something.
I think that's fine. I think we can just go to next chapter and go from there.
Go ahead and move
Yeah.
to the Santa. That's what I did.
Mm-hmm.
See? Okay.
Next chapter?
Yes, I guess.
Okay. Chapter 2, contracts.
Do you want to read it out loud?
No, I think we can just read it and then we can highlight some stuff.
Okay.
Yeah.
Like for now, a contract looks like a function.
Mm-hmm. And then we have to put it inside the pragma. How do you say that? Pragma?
The the editor? I don't know. So we should replace. We have to put the version, right?
Mm-hmm.
So I write what is written.
Don't forget the semicolon.
Sorry?
Don't forget the semicolon after you put the
yes, I'm not used to this.
Yeah. And then we're gonna create an empty contract called Zombie Factory.
Oh, okay. I'm not reading the good part. Here it is.
Okay, ready to check answer?
Yeah, I guess. Oops. Try again. What did I do wrong?
What happened? Everything looks fine to me. Oh, you had an extra zero.
Extra zero?
Yeah. After 0.4 point, you had a zero there instead of 1.9. But what you have right now is correct.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Try again.
Mm-hmm.
Yay.
Awesome. Moving on to next one.
Yes. So, variable.
And integers.
Okay.
And these are permanent.
Yes. I don't know this in usually, I mean, I know like global variables, but not stored this way.
Yeah. So unassigned integer.
Yeah. So put it to test. Our zombie DNA is going to be determined by an int, I guess.
And set it to equal to 16.
Try not to forget the semicolon this time. Again. Oh,
You have extra n.
I'm typing.
All right. Math operations.
That looks like a lot like other languages. But I never use exponential operator. Like never. So another int. Modulus. So I'm not sure. Can we use the, I don't know what's the name for this, a double star? Or the How do you call this?
So you just use the caret. So just put 10 caret and then yep, that's it.
And what's the name of this character?
Caret. The name of that, yeah, it's called caret.
Caret. Okay. Yeah. So should we try like this?
Check answer.
He doesn't like it. What about the double? Yeah. He prefers the double cross, double star.
Double star? Okay.
Yes.
So it's not caret. Okay, got it.
Chapter 5.
Structs.
For now, it's pretty easy. I don't know for after.
What is it?
I don't know if it will be still easy after that. I'm not sure.
Probably not. Structs allow you to create more complicated data types that have multiple properties.
So we're going to create a zombie struct.
Right. So struct zombie.
So a string and a int.
Yeah.
String this way. Okay, so a name and a DNA.
And that should be right.
Yes.
Perfect. Arrays.
Okay.
We're going to create a public array of zombies.
Yeah. So.
And name it zombies. Okay. So it's going to be zombie brackets public zombies. Okay, I'm good.
We are.
Next one.
Function. So there are functions and contracts. I like it in hamburgers.
Yeah, this is very similar to JavaScript or Java.
Sorry?
It's very similar to JavaScript or Java.
Yeah. Never tried.
And they recommend to start the variable names with an underscore.
Yes. So they're not global. So underscore for non-global.
Yeah.
No underscore for global.
All right, let's start the function.
Vitalik has made his first appearance. So we create the function.
Yeah. Create
name. Parameters. String name
and DNA.
Oh, forgot.
Okay, ready?
Yes.
Oh,
Yay.
One second. Mine said something's wrong. No, I just.
Yes.
Okay, good. Next one. Working with structs and arrays. Now we're going to create zombies and add them to the zombie factory.
Yeah. So we should create a new zombie from the name and DNA.
Mm-hmm. Zombie.push.
Should we create the zombie first?
Mm-hmm. Well, we can do it all in one line, right?
Oh, okay. So it's zombies.
Zombie.push, zombie, and parentheses, the name and the DNA.
How should we name it?
Good question.
I might call mine Abinaya.
Okay.
What's your DNA?
DNA is just a random number. And I'll name yours.
I saw that.
And then the DNA.
Just a random int.
2018.
Okay, let's do this.
All right, check it.
I think maybe 2018 is too much or not. I don't know. I don't remember what they said about int before.
Mm-hmm.
Let's try with 2.
Actually, it says we have to. The name and the DNA of the new zombie should come from the function arguments.
All right.
So
that's why we have. Yes.
We need to name them, and so it's just underscore name.
I'm sad it won't have your name.
Should you have underscores?
Good question.
Yeah, you should have underscores. Yeah.
So I never liked that public-private thing.
The functions are by default public.
So we should just change our create zombie function to private.
Yep. So at the end, we're just going to type private.
Yeah, I guess. Check. No. Does it need a space? No.
Yeah.
So
we need to have underscore before.
Yeah, I was asking. I didn't see it before.
It should work now.
Okay. I went too fast.
More functions. Oh, so we have to specify what the return will be when we're initializing the function itself.
Yeah. What is pure functions? We're going to create our DNA.
Function underscore generate random DNA.
So it has one parameter. String. That's it. It is private.
So the parameter takes a string and
Yes.
a number. Oh no, it returns a number. Okay.
So returns int. It.
And
So
this
this function. Yes. Mark it as view. Here.
the function will view the contracts variable but not modify them, so make it as a view. How do we make it as a view? Just
after the private public. I guess.
Okay.
The body should be empty at this point. So we should try it like this.
Yeah, but
will I check? No, yes.
Yeah, go for it.
Ooh. Int. That's always the same mistake we do.
Yep. Next chapter. What is this?
Semi-random int. Okay, so we're going to use a
hash
function.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
So we're gonna make a hash.
From the string we have in the parameter, yes. Yes. I'm just starting to write, but so we should
declare rand first. And
the first line of code should take the, I don't know how to pronounce this, kekak.
Yeah.
Hash of string. So our parameter str to generate a pseudo-random hexadecimal.
I think we can do all of this in one line.
Yes.
Yeah. I think that's it.
Call ren and typecast it as uint. Is it enough this way, or what does the... Oh, it's the function is already returning a uint. So we don't have to typecast it.
No, I think what we have right now is fine.
Okay. We want our DNA to be 16 digits long. I don't really remember the DNA modulus.
It's right about on line 6.
On line 6. Yeah. Right.
So we only want the DNA 16 digits long.
So we should return
DNA
16 rand. Should we do this?
No, a module, right?
Yes.
Instead of the 2 stars, it should be the module or the percentage sign.
Okay, so yes. I think we should use DNA modulus.
Do we use that?
I don't know. It says the above modulus, DNA modulus. Still not. Oh. Mine doesn't like you. So I didn't even write it.
I think
a good way.
Is the line 21.
Maybe you should typecast it after all.
Yeah. But why would we need to typecast it? Because
I don't know. It said the hash function returns a semi-random int.
I think you're forgetting a parenthesis there.
Yes.
Yeah.
Ooh.
That works. So we do need to typecast it, even though
yes,
assign it.
Good to know.
I feel like I'm gonna forget this as soon as we're done.
Yes, me too. But I think that's no secret. We have to practice.
Mm-hmm.
I will never remind this. No, that's not a good verb. We're going to make a public function. So a function named, it's public, so there is no underscore, I think.
Mm-hmm. You have to start it with underscore.
Oh, maybe I just thought we didn't have since it's public.
Oh.
I don't remember if that's for the public-private thing or I don't remember.
No, you're right.
It takes one parameter, the name, which is a string. Public is after. That's really weird.
And do we know what it returns? Not yet. Okay, so the first line of the function should run the generate random DNA function on name and store it in a assign integer named rand DNA. Okay. Unit
rand
DNA is equal to
generate random DNA.
We have to typecast.
Yes. Probably. And we should send the name, I guess.
Yeah. And the second line should run the create zombie function and pass it name and rand DNA.
Okay, and it doesn't return anything. Create zombie. Name and DNA.
Yeah, that looks about right.
Yeah.
Check it.
It doesn't link the int again. Maybe you should try without it. No. Doesn't like either.
Then something else is wrong.
Should we use... I didn't put the underscore in front of generate random DNA.
Oh, I did.
Yes, that was it.
Okay, so we don't need to typecast it.
No.
Yep, it works on Hansel.
Events. I think I handled Java events when I was in college, in school. So a few years ago.
Okay, you ready to write the event?
Yes, I guess.
Declare an event called new zombie, and it should pass zombie ID, name, and DNA.
Okay, so we need to go up in our code. Event called new zombie. Then
we're gonna pass a
zombie ID, which is and int, and a name. I forgot the underscore.
Do we need underscores?
I see them on the top of the text.
But not when you declare the event.
Oh, right. I was looking at the good place. String name and DNA. Did you just erase?
Me?
I thought you already wrote it.
Wait, say it again?
I thought you already wrote it and erased it.
No, I accidentally went back in my browser. Okay, now we're going to modify the create zombie function.
So fire the event. So we just type the event name
underscore. Where do we get the ID from?
That's what I'm looking. You're going to need the zombie IDs. Array push returns a hint of the new length of the array. Oh, okay. Break ID equals array push. What is array? Zombies? Maybe this way.
Why is it -1?
They said it returns a uint. So I think this is it.
Okay. But we have to name it zombie ID, not just ID, I think.
Yeah. I don't see it. Oh. Yes, you're right. So the zombie ID. Oh, with underscore? Or not? No. I don't know. Should we put an underscore before zombie ID?
Actually, we do have to name it as just ID because the name doesn't pass it in.
Sorry?
We do have to name that as ID instead of the zombie ID on line 21.
Okay.
Because the name doesn't matter on how
Okay.
you pass it.
Oh, I don't know if you talk, but I didn't hear you.
Yeah, let's go and see if that works.
What did I do? Push. I just go back again.
Maybe typecasting it? But that shouldn't matter.
Yes.
But that shouldn't matter, right? Because we're not really using, we're just using an array.
I'm gonna read again. So new zombie ID, name, and DNA with no underscore. Then in create zombie function, fire our new event, passing the parameters ID, name, and DNA. Do you have an error on the same line?
Yeah. Okay. So
Zombies.
I think the main issue is with line 21.
Yeah.
So we're not passing anything in. So zombies.push parenthesis and inside.
Maybe you should do it on line 19.
No, on line 21.
Oh, okay.
It should be inside the brackets, parentheses for zombies.push. We need to pass in zombie parenthesis underscore name underscore DNA, because that's what we want to check, right?
I don't know. It says we push return unit. Yes, but maybe I was thinking we should do it maybe on line 19 in order not to push twice.
I think we can just combine it together in line 21.
Yes, but I mean if we push it twice.
Oh, so declare it and then
like
it. Okay.
Here.
Yep.
I don't know if we need reint.
And I don't think we need the underscore.
Maybe not. So push -1.
Yep.
Let's try. No.
What does it say now?
Oh, it doesn't like this.
Yeah. That should work.
Oh, it's working.
Yep.
But I can't see. Oh, it's okay. It was good.
Yep.
So we are done with our contract. We're going to use a library.
Mm-hmm. So this is just the front end. Like once they create the zombie, the name of it goes into the contract as a function, and then it creates a zombie inside the factory.
Okay.
So we're gonna type in the name.
Under under name, maybe.
Oh, it changes based on what you type.
Here. I like your style.
I like it. All right, next chapter. Yay. And this is how yours looks like.
I really like it. Make sure your progress is saved.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, you can share a zombie. Oh no. Yes. Check out my Cryptozombie Abinaya.
We can share it after we go through a couple more.
Yeah.
All right, next lesson.
Lesson 2. Zombies attack
Victims.
So, human. Are you ready to start?
Mm-hmm.
So,
I think we're gonna make this multiplayer.
lesson 2 is going to be bloody.
That's right.
Click on the human to see what happens. Victory. New mutant. Oh, it's mixing our DNA.
Mm-hmm. So it's like the blockchain.
Yes, I guess.
Because you own part of whatever you create new one.
Yeah.
Nice.
Okay.
Right, next
Turn.
chapter.
Yes.
Mapping and addresses. So we're gonna create an address so that people know who the owner of that zombie is.
Yeah.
Structs and arrays. Ready?
I didn't finish it.
No, take your time. No worries.
Okay. I'm ready. So, we need to create a mapping called Zombie 2 owner. Probably starting with this. The key will be a int and the value an address and make it public. I'm not sure I did the right thing. This should be public, I guess.
Mm-hmm. I think that's all.
Let's check.
Mm-hmm.
And no. I don't have the hints anymore.
That's weird.
You neither? Oh, I just clicked on the cross on the right of hints. On the right, yes, and now I can see. So mine doesn't like public. Why?
We don't need to name the line 19 public.
Yes. But why?
Yeah, that should work.
Yes. Chapter 3.
Mm-hmm. Oh, this looks complicated.
I need to read slower and slower.
Yeah, me too.
looks like a setter.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, I don't know if I understood everything, but
Yeah.
I can try to put it to test.
Mm-hmm.
So our create zombie function. So we get back the new zombies ID.
Mm-hmm.
Let's update our zombie to owner. Okay. So zombie to owner. Message sender equals ID.
ID?
I don't know. That's what I wrote. What is owner zombie count? Wait. Oh, okay. So we have the same thing.
Mm-hmm.
And it doesn't work.
After we get back the new zombie's ID, let's update our zombie to owner mapping to store message sender under the ID.
I'm not sure.
Oh, I think we need to flip them. So it's zombie to owner brackets ID inside and equal to message dot sender. I think we have it reversed. And for line 24, since the message sender is inside, so we have to put brackets.
Okay.
Yeah, I think that should work now.
Okay, I don't really know why, but
because
it works.
The array
Okay.
is stored in that name, so that's how we access the array.
Okay.
Next chapter. Require. Oh yeah, these.
Sorry?
Requires. sometimes these can get complicated.
Yes. Isn't it for libraries?
Mm-hmm.
Yes. Okay, so actually it's not for libraries.
Mm-hmm.
Bless you.
All right, put a require statement at the beginning of create random zombie. The function should check to make sure owner zombie is equal to 0 and throws an error otherwise.
So a require statement.
Mm-hmm.
Create random zombie. Should check. Okay. So prior something.
Is that owner zombie count or just owner zombie?
What did you say?
Should the name of it, so require owner zombie count or require owner zombie, just owner zombie?
I would have said count.
Okay.
Since we want only one. Maybe
it's equal to 0.
Yeah.
Yep, that works.
Require was cool after all.
Mm-hmm. Inheritance.
Okay. So you want to make a contract?
Mm-hmm. Called zombie feeding, and it inherits from zombie factory.
So is zombie factory. That's it.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
All right.
Import.
Oh, everything left. So Oh, yes. You have several tabs now.
Mm-hmm.
You just need to import the other file.
Mm-hmm. Zombiefactory.sol.
Yes.
All right. Yep, that's good to know. Storage versus memory.
The storage permanent and memory not permanent.
The function.
Sorry?
Yeah, memory is just temporary.
I'm starting to get hungry. Hungry, not angry.
Yep, I just grabbed some oranges.
What?
I just grabbed some oranges.
Yes.
Yeah, I was kind of getting hungry too. What time is it there?
Almost 9 p.m.
Okay.
What about you?
It's 1:45 p.m. It's about lunchtime.
Okay.
But I think I'll leave after done with the lesson too.
Yes, me too.
Yeah.
I'd like to finish it.
All right. You ready?
Didn't read everything. Don't worry if you don't fully understand. So it's okay. Warnings. Cool. So test.
Create a function called feed and multiply. It will take parameters, zombie ID, and target DNA. And the function should be public. All right, we can do this.
We can. We take two parameters. An int. Target DNA. Oops. Which is
Public.
an int too.
Mm-hmm.
Public. We don't want to let someone else feed using our zombie. So let's make sure we own this zombie. We need to add a require statement. To make sure message sender is equal to his zombie owner. Yes, I don't remember to do this.
So it's require zombies owner is equal to
what?
Oh, it should equal to the owner zombie. But what are we checking? We're checking the zombie ID.
I don't remember his owner zombie.
Yeah, I think it's require underscore zombie ID brackets, and inside the brackets it's message.sender is equal to owner zombie.
Is equal to
owner zombie.
Okay.
Yeah, that's how I have it. Right. We'll find out if that's wrong or right. We're going to need to get the zombie's DNA, so the next thing our function should do is declare a local zombie named myZombie, which will be a storage pointer. Set the variable to be equal to index zombie ID in our zombies array.
Okay. So first we need to create a zombie, right?
Yeah, so it's uint myZombie equal to,
should it be not uint but zombie? Like this?
oh,
I don't know. We have a new zombie function.
no, I think it's just we're declaring the variable zombie ID, myZombie to the zombie ID.
Okay, you're right, I think.
And then -1.
I don't like anything we did.
Right.
For now, I don't really get what I'm doing.
Yeah.
We need to create, to declare.
Oh, so if we look at the example above with the sandwich one, we have to actually label it. So zombie storage My
Yes.
zombie
Feels more logical.
equals zombies.
That's the name of the array.
Yeah. Brackets
With zombie ID.
Zombie ID.
Did I write my zombie?
Okay, let's look at the require.
Yes. So
Add a require statement to make sure message.sender is equal to the zombie's owner. Maybe it should be message.sender equals zombie to owner, and in parentheses, in brackets, it's the zombie ID. So like you're saying that the message sender that we got is inside the zombie owners array.
I didn't get everything you said, but if you write it, I might understand. Message sender is equal to this zombie's owner.
Okay, require, and in parentheses, do message.sender equal zombie to owner.
Okay.
So get rid of the zombie to owner in the beginning and just do message.sender. Yep, and then underscore zombie ID.
Ooh.
Man, these are gonna get so hard.
Yes. This one was hard for me.
Yeah.
Feed and multiply.
Zombie DNA.
Feeding and the target. Okay.
We're just taking the average.
Yes. Let's. We don't take the average in the test. We need to make sure that target DNA isn't longer than 16 digits. Can set equal to only take the last 16.
Okay. That's what I have. Next, our function should declare a named new DNA.
And that's when you need the average.
It equal to the average of zombies DNA and target DNA. my zombie plus target DNA divided by 2.
Just like this.
Don't forget the semicolon.
Yes. Is my zombie representing the DNA?
Say it again.
My zombie, is it a DNA, this?
Yeah, so my zombie dot DNA.
Yes, okay. Then, once we have the new DNA, create zombie. Create zombies. Here we need a name and DNA. So, a new zombie. How should we call it?
Create zombie.
New DNA. Oh, we don't have to.
Yeah. I don't think we need to say. Yeah. Do we put no DNA in there?
I think yes, that's the new one we created.
I don't think we need to put anything for DNA. Because it generates the DNA. Oh wait, never mind. I lied. It should be new DNA.
Yeah. Yes.
Okay, I think that's good. Let's check. Yep, and it works.
Next chapter. Number 9. Mistake. Compiler, we throw an error. Okay. In addition to public and private, there are 2 more types, internal and external. Internal is the same as private. External is similar to public. I'm going to create zombie. I think we just have to change private to internal.
Yeah. I think that's it.
I think yes. Great. Chapter 10.
What do zombies eat?
Oh, CryptoKitties, I thought they would eat humans. Kitty DNA. I don't want to keep kitties. Oh. We won't actually hurt CryptoKitty.
We're just reading the data.
Yes.
That's cool.
So okay. Interface. It reminds me of old things. Okay. So the getKitty function.
Yeah. Right, ready?
Yes.
Okay. We're gonna create a kitty interface. Contract.
Kitty interface. So
Inside the interface, define the functions getKitty. We're gonna copy paste.
Should be a okay. But with a semicolon after the return statement. Where is the return statement?
So we're just going to type function getKitty uint id external view returns and semicolon.
All right. Like this.
Okay. Man, something's wrong. Maybe we need space.
No. Maybe you still need to put all these.
No. Oh, okay. I think I know. Inside the return, we need everything until the bracket closes. Yep.
Like this, yes.
Mm-hmm. There we go. Sounds good. Next.
Using it. So we already... It's my dog. We already have an address.
Mm-hmm. They gave it to us.
Yes. Then we need to create a Kitty interface named Kitty contract. It should be something like this.
So
Not
Kitty interface.
Kitty contract. Kitty. Yes, I got the same thing. Oh, number contract.
Say it again.
Oh no, it's I think you have to change the name of your variable. Number contract. It's Kitty contract.
Oh, okay. It's not okay. Got it. Is K capitalized? No. Kitty contract.
Yes.
And then
you lost R contract. Kitty contract. Yes. I didn't try, so I don't know if it's good. It's not. Egal get Kitty. It's not working. Kitty interface. Kitty contract. Oh, I think we have to put yes.
Interface.
That's the key. No, still not. What did I do?
I have.
There's no get new actually on the example above. They use the name interface, so Kitty interface. Then they don't call getName function.
Okay, I see.
So just put the yeah, it works.
So I just need to put get kitty or no?
No get kitty. That's strange.
Got it.
Don't put the function name. That's weird. So we can't. If we have multiple function, I don't know. Tuples.
Handling multiple return values.
Okay. So a function that gets the kitty genes from the contract. Make a function called feed on kitty. with 2 parameters. On the ID and ID, both unit in public. The function should first declare a uint name kitty_dna. Oh no. Okay. We should then call kitty contract get kitty with kitty ID. So once again, we set the function name. Kitty ID. And store
the interface.
Sorry?
Do we use the interface?
I don't know. I did like we did earlier. You mean the function name or?
Yeah. Do we call that kitty interface?
I don't know. I don't know how we call it. I just started reading the.
Oh, okay.
We don't store it in one variable, but in 10.
I don't think we need that. If you look at the above example, right, function get last return value external, you see how they count like commas and C?
Yes.
So I think
we put like 9 commas and
yeah, and then jeans is equal to kitty ID.
Yes. Probably like this. We didn't do nothing with kitty_dna.
Yeah, I'm lost with this one.
I use it like we did before, like kitty interface. I didn't put the function name.
Okay.
Did kitty.
But I thought all you need was kitty ID. Oh, no, you're right.
I don't know. But we used an address before. I don't understand.
Yeah.
I'll just try like this. We'll see.
Go for it and check it.
And then we should call feed and multiply and pass it both zombie ID and kitty_dna. But we didn't make something with kitty_dna. We just declared it, right? Strange.
Something doesn't look right.
No, I don't get what we do with kitty DNA.
Yeah. So what we're trying to do is we're trying to call the genes return value from the interface and set that value to kitty DNA.
Oh, you think? Yes.
So it should be reversed, I think. So it should be kitty DNA is equal to.
Oh, you're right. And store genes in kitty DNA, so it's not genes here. You're right.
I think that's right.
Let's try. No. Kitty contract. Get kitty. Kitty contract. Where is the kitty contract? This function should call the kitty contract get kitty. Get kitty is this, right? Maybe this one? The one we already know. With kitty ID. Do you have the same issues?
Right, look at what I have.
Yeah.
So what I did was bunch of commas, kitty DNA is equal to kitty contract dot get kitty. And then inside I put the commas again and then genes.
Okay.
I think that makes sense.
Like this?
Nope, it's wrong.
For me, I think the genes is the last returned variable. So that's why we put genes in kitty DNA. Maybe we won with a number of comma. Maybe that just it. Oh, I'm not doing it. Maybe like this. No.
Can you look at the answer?
So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
So we only need 9, not 10.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
So we need 9 commas and then the.
Yes. I need to be sure. So we are putting genes in kitty DNA. I don't understand why. Like, can we call these genes? Wait. He said something about uint.
No, that thing doesn't matter because it's the same.
So that just shouldn't be it. This function should call the kitty contract get kitty.
I think
This kitty ID.
That.
Oh, maybe this time we should call get kitty. No.
I'm gonna look at the answer.
Crazy.
I don't know what else to try.
So, kitty.
We had it right. Oh, we just don't.
Just because of spaces.
Yeah, we don't need the commas.
The commas.
So.
Said kitty contract instead of kitty interface.
Yeah, it's kitty contract dot get kitty, and then inside underscore kitty ID.
Kitty contract get kitty. All right. All right.
We should hold on. So when we get the contract, we don't need those commas. We only need to initialize it.
Which commas? Comment?
Yeah, so like
I'd like to put this to see it again.
Yeah.
I can't. It's okay. So you were saying
with the kitty DNA, we only need the commas.
Oh, I just get it.
Yeah.
We just it was the I put a uppercase.
Mm-hmm.
We need to actually use this variable we declared earlier. I just get it.
All right. Chapter 13, bonus kitty genes.
What happened? Again.
We can add in one bonus feature.
What did I do? I feel like it's the next chapter or something.
Yeah, it's the next chapter.
So how can I go back? Oh, I'm already on.
Yeah,
okay.
you're already on 13.
Time to eat.
Mm-hmm.
So logic is complete. Okay. Can I close this? Oh. I won't look at it. So
we're gonna write an if statement inside.
Yeah.
All right, so first let's change the function definition of feed and multiply.
We need one more parameter, string named species.
Mm-hmm.
And after we calculate the new zombies DNA,
and add an if statement.
Nice. So we compare ashes of species and kitty. In the if statement. You want to replace the last 2 digits of DNA with 99. One way to do this is using the logic new DNA equal new DNA minus new DNA, blah, blah, blah. Okay. So let's just do it this way. Lastly, we need to change the function called fill on kitty. When it goes, yes, we need to add the kitty parameter.
Yep. We're good. Next chat.
Yes. Wrapping it up.
We've completed lesson 2.
Yes.
You can check out the demo to the right to see it in action. Go ahead. Call a kitty to attack and see the new kitty zombie you got.
Might get a tail. You look great with a tail.
Yeah. Tail too.
Okay, what is this? Oh, it's the whole thing. We don't have to figure now. Say the kitty.
We got the cat legs and the tail.
Okay.
We can try another one if we want.
I still have a tail, but are these cat tail? Cat feet?
Say it again.
These are supposed to be cat feet?
Cat feet and the tail, yeah.
Okay.
This is good.
We have triumphed. Ooh. Abhinaya Cryptozombie. Cool.
Well, proceed to next language, but we can do this some other time.
Yes, I need to eat now.
Yeah. So what do you think?
You too?
Do you want to still do it together next time, or do you want to?
Yeah, I'd like to if you want.
Yes, I would love to. But we need to figure out a time that works for both of us.
Yes, I come before Wednesday because I'll be not at home a lot these next few days. So I can't do it before Wednesday at least.
No, not a problem. We'll figure it out because I also work 9 to 5.
Yes.
So.
Okay, maybe next weekend then.
No, we can figure out some other time during the week actually.
Okay. Well, we can do this on Telegram.
All right. Have a good day. Bye.
Yes, you too.